I went and added everything yesterday. So I started them up yesterday. Today, when I'm done, before I put my feet to the creek, now I don't got to do no whole bunch. I could just drop a couple of them. You feel me? And we'll be able to get get more content out. So salute to everybody that's rocking with the content. All right, let's see what we got here. Lil Durk update. Stan the Man put that up. Lil Durk update. He's about to start trial.
Lil Durk up.
Pause it for 1 second. Lil Durk, who has actually, I'm not gonna be saying doing good because circumstances is crazy, but from the outside looking in, based off of what we're seeing with this case that he's fighting right now, I don't know about any case anywhere else, blah, blah, blah. This case that he's fighting with them right now doesn't look all the way airtight. It's a lot of superseding indictments, I believe maybe 3 or 4, if I'm not mistaken, meaning he's been hit with additional charges over 4 times. They just put one more superseding indictment before he's about to go to trial, literally 2-3 weeks ahead of it. They are like, man, what the fuck are y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? Like, they can't seem to get it together. So just based on the outside looking in, but let's hear the official update. Mo's been following it the whole time. Let's see what he got.
Update. We're 13 days away from August 20 when the trial starts. However, on August 13, 6 days away, Durk's fate could be decided. What's been going on in this case? So you'll remember he got that big W in July. Judge severed the charges. There was some quotes coming out in the press that the judge was like, you guys think you're losing this case? That's why you're bringing in stuff about Chicago murders and stuff about Georgia murders. The judge said, this is a Los Angeles murder for hire. We're going forward with that on August 20. Anything else you want to charge him with is going to happen on a later date. Well, since that happened, this case has gone through the wildest 3 weeks of any criminal case I've seen in my life in terms of the number of filings, the government filing motion after motion, the defense motion after motion. Now the oppositions are in. I'm going to break them down for you so you can understand what's been going on and why this case might very well get decided on August 13 in 6 days at the final pretrial conference in Los Angeles. There is so much. We're going to have to do multiple parts in this video. First, there's a phone. That phone was seized by the government like 6 years ago when Durk was the victim of a home invasion. Somebody broke into his house. This man called the cops. Hey, I don't want to shoot these people. Y'all need to come get them. And then they seized his phones to see if there was something in there about maybe people threatening him. Anyway, the Georgia State Police had that phone for like 6 years. And then last month, the feds went and said, hey, we want a warrant for that. We're going to search it for evidence of criminal activity. The defense is going nuts, talking about that's late as hell. What the hell you mean you guys are searching and getting warrants for the phone in a month before the trial? And then that's just wild. Y'all got that phone to search for evidence that would help you prosecute crimes where Durk is the victim, and now you want to go and take that seizure of the phone and use it now that he's the defendant in a criminal trial. That raises all sorts of constitutional concerns, the legal argument.
See, this is the only thing I think where Durk is having an uphill battle is I feel like they just don't fuck with his game. What?
No.
They don't fuck with his game, and that's the part that's the worst part for him. You know? It's not even necessarily the evidence, bro. It's like they're just nitpicking to get something.
Yeah.
And you know when you get into one of them spaces where that's the type of time they on, it be hard to beat shit because they not gonna stop. It's kind of like Diddy. Even though people would say he shouldn't even be there for that because that's not, y'all came with a RICO charge. Y'all end up putting prostitution charges and shit on the back end. It's like they made sure they got something. Like, it's one of them situations, which is cool because you definitely don't want life, definitely don't want the RICO, definitely don't want all that shit.